A very good morning, dear class. I welcome you again in grade 9. Class, now we will be going to start our remaining chapter of our history part, that is the revolutionary in France. So class, our next one is our next topic is the did women have a revolution? So class, earlier we had studied that all the powers is in the hand of the monarchy. After that, all the powers is in the hands of a national assembly, and then after the national assembly all the powers was taken by the republic system, and then afterwards all the powers shifted from the republic people to a directory rule of finance. So now let's start with the next one, that did women have a revolution? So in this topic we will be going to learn about that what contribution and different type of role played by a woman in a France revolution. Yes, it is very right that women played a very important role in a France revolution. So our first point is the women were actively participated. Why? Because they can actively participated in the revolution of a France. Why? Because they all are a hope that they all can get a equal power and equal rights as comparison with the first estate people and as comparison with the second estate people. They can also, women also worked for living. For the living, they worked as a sold flowers, fruits, vegetables at the market, and they can also work as a domestic servants in the house of a prosperous people. So they also want a wages that is more than a man. Why? Because woman is having a less wages as comparison to the men. So the result is that they can raise their voice. Why they can raise their voice? Because they didn't get the equal rights as comparison with the men, so that they can raise their voice. Afterwards they can started their own clubs, just like a Jacobean club that we had already studied. Women also started to establish their own clubs. Why? Because they want a equal rights and they want a equal demand for a vote as comparison with the men. But woman was totally disappointed. Why? Because we had already studied that if we can talk about the constitution that was made in the year 1791, it can reduce the powers of the women and they can launch a new act. That act is called a passive citizen. So the woman was totally disappointed the law that was made in the year 1791. Now our next question arises, did the revolution and the everyday life affect? Yes, it is very this statement is very right. Why? Because earlier we had studied that women have a big role in the revolution. So in this we will be going to study how revolution affect the daily life or a everyday life of a people belongs to a France revolution or a France country. So here there was a revolution begins, where there are the various upcoming of laws was established, and the main motive of these laws that they want a liberty and equality. Class, I can repeat it again. This revolution occurs. Why? Because third estate people wants equal right as according to the first estate or a second estate. So all the story is related with the revolution of France. Why? Because third class people equal rights, equal laws, equal liberties from the law. So they can also abolish the censorship system. So now what happened next? The old regime is transferred to a new regime. Here the meaning of old regime means old systems. Earlier all the powers and all the systems is in the hand of the king. All the decisions was taken by the king or queen. So they want to change from old system to a new system, and in a new system all the powers is with the public. They all want a freedom of speech, expressions. They all want equality, liberty, total voting right. So the result is that there is a big change in the society. People wants a change, and they can also use the various type of print media. Here the print media is related with the printing in the newspaper, printing in the advertisement. They can also do different type of acts, plays, and they can also sing a various type of songs. They can also launch various type of festive processions. Here the meaning of festive procession means jalus, jhankiyan. So all these was the result of the revolution that was taken in the country that is called the France. So class, this is all about your chapter, that how revolution and the everyday life affects. So class, I can repeat it again. This is a story which is related with the France revolution. Now what happened earlier? All the powers is in the hand of the monarchy. Then power is transferred to the National Assembly. Then again power is transferred from National Assembly to the democratic people. After democratic, powers again transferred to the directory rules, and then in the end powers will be shared and transferred to the last party, that is called Napoleon Bonaparte. So in the next video we will be going to study about what is the meaning of Napoleon Bonaparte. So class, this is all about your topic. I hope all these concepts will be clear to you. Thank you class.